You've probably seen options like buy now, pay later, or pay in full with Klarna and Afterpay when you check out online. But here's the question: will using buy now, pay later soon affect my credit score? The answer: yes and no. Let's break it down. Right now, buy now, pay later doesn't hurt your credit score if you pay on time. Most buy now, pay later plans use only soft credit checks, which doesn't impact your credit score. And reporting varies. Many providers didn't report buy now, pay later loans to credit bureaus. That said, big changes are coming this fall. FICO announced that starting September 2025, their scoring models will start including buy now, pay later data, meaning both on time buy now, pay later payments and missed payments could affect your credit scores. Why does this matter? Lenders will soon be able to see your buy now, pay later history just like any other loan. That means using buy now, pay later responsibly could actually help your credit score, especially if you're new to credit. But late payments or taking too many buy now, pay later plans could actually hurt you. Be cautious of loan stacking. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau and consumer advocates warn that having multiple simultaneous buy now, pay later loans can hide real debt and make you look riskier to lenders. Action steps for you. Treat buy now, pay later like any other loan. Pay on time, every time. Don't take on more debt than you can handle. Monitor your credit reports. Buy now, pay later may show up sooner than you think. Check upcoming FICO updates in fall of 2025 so you're not caught off guard. Bottom line, buy now, pay later will soon be a part of your credit score, both the good and the bad. If you use it wisely, it could actually help build your credit score. If not, it could do serious damage. If you like help navigating buy now, pay later and credit, or want to personalize your credit strategy, go to www.credithealing.org, or you can contact us at credithealing@gmail.com. Buy now, pay later isn't just a convenience, it's becoming part of your credit history. Let's make sure it's a good one. Peace.
In 30 days.
100 points within.
This is what I got for instant approval.
Here and give a testimonial about credit.